There's a hole in the sky the size of a continent, and for years, it was quietly cooking the planet below it while nobody had a clue. This is the real story of the ozone hole: what it was, what it did, and how we nearly missed it entirely. Stick around, because the twist near the end is the part most people never hear. But first, a question. What's actually stopping the sun from frying you alive right now? High above your head, miles up, there's a thin blue layer of gas called ozone. It's invisible, fragile, and it's been your sunscreen since before humans existed. When dangerous ultraviolet rays hit that layer, the ozone soaks them up before they reach the ground. No layer, no shield. So here's the unsettling part. Somewhere in the 1970s, we started tearing a hole in it without even realizing. The culprit? Something boringly ordinary: spray cans, fridges, and air conditioners. They all leaked chemicals called CFCs, harmless down here. Up there, they're tiny wrecking balls. These CFC molecules float up for years, slow, patient, invisible, climbing higher and higher toward the shield. And here's where it gets sinister. When sunlight hits a CFC, it cracks it open and releases one ruthless atom: chlorine. One chlorine atom doesn't destroy one bit of ozone. It destroys thousands. It smashes a molecule, then walks away to smash another. Picture one tiny vandal breaking 100,000 windows and never getting caught. That's a single chlorine atom. Okay, but here's where it really gets interesting. Of all the places on Earth, the damage exploded over Antarctica. The freezing polar winter creates strange, icy clouds that supercharge the chlorine. When spring sunlight returns, the destruction goes wild. And the wildest part? Scientists almost missed it. The hole was so big their computers assumed the data was an error and deleted it. For years, the machine quietly threw the warning in the trash. The killer in the sky was hiding inside a glitch. When they finally checked the raw numbers, the truth was staggering. A gap bigger than a continent had been growing for decades. More UV meant more skin cancer, more cataracts, more harm to crops, and tiny ocean life. It was killing us slowly before we noticed. Now here's the payoff I promised. The world did something almost unheard of. Every single country agreed to stop. In 1987, they banned CFCs together. It became the most successful environmental deal in history. Proof we can actually fix what we break. And it's working. Slowly, the ozone layer is healing. Scientists think the hole could fully close around the 2060s. So the hole that nearly slipped past us became the rare disaster we caught in time. The question that lingers: what else are our machines quietly deleting right now? If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. It really helps. See you in the next one.